In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check payment history in Hostinger. If you need to review past payments for your hosting services, this process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. Checking your payment history can be useful if you want to confirm a recent charge, download details for your records, or simply keep track of your billing activity inside your Hostinger account. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in as you normally would. Make sure you are logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one website or hosting plan. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to look at the top area of the screen where your account options are usually available. From there, click on your profile. This will open the account-related menu, where you can access settings and billing information connected to your Hostinger account. If you are following along on a mobile device, the layout may look a little different, but the option is generally still easy to find inside the account menu. After opening your profile section, click on Billing. This area is where Hostinger keeps all the payment-related details for your account, including invoices, transactions, and other billing information. If you ever need to manage subscriptions or review charges, this is the section you will typically return to. Once you are in the billing area, simply click on Payment History. This is the specific page that shows the record of payments made on your account. It helps you quickly check which payments have been completed and when they were processed. Once you are there, this is where you can see your payment history. You will be able to review your past transactions directly from this section. In many cases, this can help you verify whether a payment went through successfully or check the timing of previous renewals. If you are keeping records for personal or business use, it is a good idea to review this page carefully and make sure the dates and charges match what you expect. And if something looks unusual, the billing section is usually the best place to start before contacting support. That's it. As you can see, checking your payment history in Hostinger is quick and straightforward. Just log into your account, open your profile, go to Billing, and click Payment History to view your past payments.